It's a 2016 Nissan Maxima. Nissan excites the senses so you can enjoy the journey, and it comes with all the amenities you need. External memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, auto dimming mirrors, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.